Kain tayo, mixed fruits. Ayan. For my dinner. Kain tayo, guys. There's grapes. Ito ay lokban, orange, green grapes, watermelon, and green apple. Meron ding red apple. Watermelon. Enjoy, guys. Let's eat.